Nutella chocolate cookies are the only thing you need right now to lift up your mood. Put 1.5 cup Nutella in a bowl. Add 1 egg. Mix it until you get this consistency. Next, add 1 cup flour and form a dough with spatula. Cover your baking tray with baking paper and make small balls of the dough and flatten it with your palm. Now grab a spoon and press it down on the cookie dough from the back side to make it look like this. Bake it at 190 centigrade or 375 Fahrenheit for 8 to 10 minutes. When the cookies are done, add Nutella topping in the center. You can add dry fruits like almonds and pistachios as a topping too. Enjoy your yummy, crunchy and fresh Nutella chocolate cookies at home. Lord Lamington's chef invented this recipe in 1896 and made it Australia's most loved dessert as of 2021. Let's make Australian Lamingtons. Take a bowl, add 125 grams of butter, 1 cup caster sugar, half teaspoon vanilla extract and beat them. Now add your 3 eggs in it and beat them again with your hand mixer. Now take 1 3/4 cup of sifted self-raising flour and half cup milk. Add half of the flour and half milk first and give it a good mix with the help of wooden spoon or spatula. Don't overmix it. Add rest of the flour and milk and give it another mix until there are no lumps in the cake batter. Put your cake batter in baking tray. Tap the tray on table surface to get rid of the air bubbles. Now bake your cake batter in a preheated oven at 160 Celsius or 320 Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. Keep your cake on a cooling rack for 10 to 20 minutes. After that, cover it with cling wrap and put it in the fridge for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, take your cake out of the fridge. Cut your cake into pieces and set it aside. Now it's time to make icing for the Lamingtons. Take 2 cups of sifted icing sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of melted butter and half cup boiling water. Whisk it until smooth. First, take a piece of your cake and put it in the chocolate icing we made earlier. With the help of a spoon and fork, cover your cake in the chocolate. Shake off any excess, toss in coconut and cover all sides with your hands. Repeat the same process with remaining cake blocks. Once done, keep them in the fridge or let them stand for 2 hours or until set. And your heavenly Lamingtons are ready to serve with a hot cuppa. Enjoy. These are one of the most famous type of Afghani cookies known as Kulcha Sheri. Break 2 eggs in a bowl. Add melted butter. Add sugar. Give it a mix. Next, add baking powder, cardamom powder and mix it again. Now we're going to add all-purpose flour, but we're going to make 3 portions and add 1 portion at a time. Mix it, then add the next portion. Mix it again. Add the last portion, but this time knead it with your hands to make the cookie dough. Grab your baking tray with baking paper on top. Take a small amount of cookie dough, make a ball, flatten it. Take a spoon or any kind of stencil to decorate the cookie dough. Do the same for all your cookies. Bake it for 15 to 20 minutes at 200 Celsius or 400 Fahrenheit. After the cookies are done, glaze your cookies with sugar syrup. Another option is to glaze them with honey. We are using both here. Sprinkle some pistachio powder and your cookies are ready to serve. These cookies are mostly served on occasions like Eid or Ramadan, but they are also perfect to go with your everyday tea or coffee. Enjoy. Delicious, soft chocolate cake which you can make at home with just 3 ingredients. You're gonna need chocolate chip cookies, any brand, around 650 grams, baking powder 1 1/4 teaspoon, and milk as required for your batter. Put the cookies in a bowl. Now you can crush them with your hands, but it's better to use a mixer or a blender for an even mix. Now put your baking powder, add your milk. While pouring milk, use a spatula and then slowly pour your milk for an even mix. You can use a blender or mixer to mix it properly. The consistency should look something like this. It should not be too thick or too watery. Now grab your baking pan, oil the base, put your baking paper in, and now pour the mix. Tap the baking pan once or twice on the table to get rid of air bubbles. And now bake it at 190 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit for around 20 minutes or until it's done. After that, let it cool for 20 minutes and then take it out from the baking pan to serve it on a serving plate. Now you can serve it just like this because it looks really good and it's delicious just as it is. Or you can decorate it with Nutella and some icing sugar, or you can use sprinkles, whatever you like. Now your cake is ready to serve. Looks amazing. Do try it at home and let us know in the comment section below how it turned out. Enjoy. Bring some colors in your life with this wonderful, delicious and soft rainbow cupcakes. You are going to need 3 eggs, 170 grams self-raising flour, 170 grams caster sugar, red, green and blue food colors, 170 grams unsalted butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Grab a bowl, add self-raising flour and caster sugar. Add your butter. Break 3 eggs in there. Now mix it well with a hand mixer until all the ingredients are fully combined. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix the batter again. Divide the batter in 3 separate bowls equally. Add few drops of green color in first bowl, few drops of blue color in second bowl and few drops of red color in the last bowl. Mix them well until the batter has changed its color. Now grab your cupcake baking tray, put in your cupcake liners and make a layer of blue cupcake batter with a spoon. Next, add a layer of red cupcake batter and then finally top it off with green cupcake batter. Smooth them out with a spoon to create a swirl or gradient effect. Bake the cupcakes at 160 Celsius or 325 Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes. Your delicious, soft and beautiful rainbow cupcakes are ready to serve. You can add your favorite toppings or just add whipped cream with some sprinkles to make them irresistible. Enjoy.